Hello everyone, welcome to the course Django 3 Crash course. So in this course, we are going to develop a application that is blog. So we are going to use a Python framework that is Django 3. So Django is a powerful Python web framework, which is very easy to use, and it is a robust and scalable framework that can be used to create a small to large scale web application having complex requirement and integration. So in this video series, we are going to create a project to develop a blog, and then we will do a database design using Django standard object relational model, and then we will use Django administration side to register our models. Then we will work with the query sets and the custom managers, and we also work with views to list and create the detailed page of our posts. We will also work with the authentication, authorization, templates, and URLs, and we also work with the pagination to list blog posts. And to implement the CRUD application, we will use the Django class-based view. So without too much talking, let's jump to install the Django. To install the Django, let me go to my desktop of my operating system and let us create a folder called project. Let's go to the project, and inside this project folder, we will create our project. So let us create a virtual environment using Python. We will use the model venv, and then we will name the virtual environment also venv. So as you can see, Python right now is creating a virtual environment. So we will install the Django inside that virtual environment so that will not be conflict with our standard libraries that is installed on our operating system. So if you do ls, you can see virtual environment has been created. So let us activate this virtual environment and install the latest version of Django 3. So to activate, we can use venv scripts activate, and as you can see, venv has been activated. So let's install the Django. Pip install Django. This will install the latest version of Django. As you can see, it is installing the Django 3.0.7. As you can see here, the installation has been completed. So the Django has installed inside the site packages of the venv directory. So let us verify by importing the Django Python. So this will activate the Python inside the virtual environment. So let us import the Django. As you can see, 3.0.7 is the installed version of Django. So up to now, we have installed the Django. So now it's time to create a project using Django admin that comes with the Django installation package. So we are inside the project directory. So let us create our project using Django admin chat project, and give the name of the project. So let's keep the name of the project to my site. So on running this command, it will create a folder my site just behind the virtual environment directory. So this is our project folder. You can also rename this one to src using mb command and verify that. So the source folder has been renamed to src. So let us see what's inside the src folder. So to view all the files and folder inside the src directory, we can use the tree command, tree/f src. As you can see, these are the files generated by the Django admin command. So let us understand what is the meaning of these files. So as you can see, manage.py, this is the command line utility which is used to interact with our project. And here is the my site. This is our project Python module. So we also call it as a project directory. And this my site module contain the ASCII settings, URLs, and whisky file. So init.py file is an empty Python file, which makes this my site folder as a Python module. Whisky.py is a configuration to run our application in a web server that is called web server gateway interface. urls.py is used to map the view and the URLs. Settings.py is obviously for configuration of our project, and it also contains the default settings. And asgy.py is the configuration to run the asynchronous web servers and applications. So now let us create the database by running the migration. To run the migration, we need to go inside the source folder and run the python manage.py migrate command. And this will migrate all the migrations and create the table using the SQLite database. So these are all the migration files that comes with the Django installation. And so on running this migration, it will create a database. We can verify by using the ls command that is called db.sqlite3. So now our migration has also been completed, default migration. So let us now run our Django server by using the python manage.py run server command. So by default, it will listen on port 8000. and the localhost IP address, that is 127.0.0.1, and by default it will use the settings settings.py as a default setting.